Welcome to this tutorial on basic audio lead concepts. Now, all home and project studios have a variety of interconnected devices such as microphones, guitars, audio interfaces, synthesizers, drum machines, monitor loudspeakers and amplifiers, etc. These devices are used to record, process, mix and amplify audio signals. A variety of different types of audio lead are used to connect devices together in a process called interconnection. A lead comprises a length of cable terminated at one or both ends with a connector, either a plug or a socket. Some leads terminate in bare wires, for example loudspeaker leads, which may connect to the loudspeaker via some kind of bare wire terminal. Some leads are left permanently in place, so-called installation wiring, such as those that link outboard equipment or a stage box to a patch bay. Sometimes these connections are referred to as lines or tie lines. Other leads are connected only when they're required, such as a guitar lead or a microphone lead or a patch cord lead. Most jobs require two or more devices to be connected together in a chain. For example, in order for an electric guitar to be recorded, this chain of devices is required. Guitar to amplifier, microphone to microphone preamplifier, microphone preamplifier to analog to digital converter, analog to digital converter to audio interface, audio interface to door to headphone amplifier, and headphone amplifier to monitor headphones. In order for audio signals to pass between these devices, it must be in one of three forms. It must either be an analog electrical signal, or a digital coaxial signal, which is electrical, or a digital optical signal. Most leads carry a single mono or stereo signal, but others, such as multi-core and optical leads, can carry multiple channels of audio and are commonly used for installation purposes. All analog electrical or digital electrical leads have two or more wires to carry the signal. Only fibre optic leads are different. Each core will be isolated from the others with a protective insulation surround and will carry one of three signal types or poles. The first is earth, also known as sleeve, shield, ground or external. The second is live, also known as send, hot or positive. And the third is return, also known as cold or negative. In many cables, the earth core does not have its own insulation surround, but is wrapped or braided around the live and return cores in order to protect them from RF interference. Multi-core or multi-channel leads will have multiple cores of earth, live and return. There are many variations of cable and connector types, each suitable for different types of signals and applications. Some are visibly different, whilst others are difficult to tell apart. AES digital and mic leads look similar. Both use XLR connectors and have the same number and arrangement of wires or cores in their cables, but their electrical properties differ. It is possible to categorize leads into either analog or digital, but because there are so many flavors of both, this simple division isn't always helpful. It is true to say that analog or digital signals must be converted in order to be mixed together. But this is also true of the analog signals that electric guitars and synthesizers produce. In the studio, apart from headphones, almost all analog stereo connections require two leads, one each for the left and right channels. Here's a keyboard with a headphone socket, which is stereo, requiring a single lead, but with left and right line outputs for connection to a mixing desk or an analog to digital converter, which require 2 leads. The 2 most common problems associated with leads are RF interference and ground loops. Both these issues are discussed in a future tutorial in this series. The script for this tutorial, with accompanying screenshots, can be found at projectstudiohandbook.com. And finally, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or at the website to get instant notification of new videos as they are uploaded. And please do click on the ads of interest to you. We're a free resource and they help to pay our costs. Thanks very much for watching.